Hello, welcome to Aonlinetraining.com.
Hi, now we learn to make a 2D color stone of jewelry. So I'm going to Illustrator file and open a new document and change the name of my file, color stone of jewelry. I get the same color of mode CMYK. Now I'm just going to make a shape of stone. So I take a rectangle. I select this rectangle and I take the gradient, double click, you get the palette, or you can find from the window menu. So double click again over there, you get the more options. Just change the slider of gradient by selecting and double click again, you get the color palette and change the RGB. Forget the more shade, so I choose a related color of my color stone. I take a one solid color and the other is white, so I get the gradient shade in linear mode. So I just change this stroke. I make a copy of the same shape and I paste it and I adjust as the overlap of the other things. I scale it with Shift and Alt, so it's proportionally transformed. I normally scale it. As you see, like it show you the depth because one gradient is the other side and one gradient is another side. It's opposite to each other. Now go for another stone shape. For this I take a pen tool. I fill the stroke and unfill the fill. Just click. Normally you have to click the anchor point. And you close this path. Now get the direct selection. Select these anchor points and just adjust to refine the shape. Now this is a tool convert point. So these points doesn't have a curve, so I just click and drag. You get the curve. Just click and drag, so you get the curve. After that, direct selection. By pressing a control, you get the separate handle move. Press control and separately handle, you can move and adjust the curve. So after the perfect shape, I got selection with the select this shape. Now I'm go my fill color, the same gradient. Now I'm go for radial. Now I'm change the slider. Take the white another side and take the red on another side. So I take the gradient and I drag from the corner, so you get the little bit shiny. So you get the 2D color stone, and you can just scale it by pressing Shift and Alt. You go for file and save as in AI file format, then save as, and you go for another file menu and export as in JPG. So you have a two file, one is source file of Illustrator and one is JPG file.
For queries, please contact us on info@aonlinetraining.com. Have a nice day.